David Harley, he runs his grow op in the basement of his chop shop, and he's always got hip hop on the boom box and the Red Sox on the Magnavox. He never liked my mohawk, and he wasn't much for small talk, but he talked a lot when he taught me how to steal hot rods and grow Boston's finest pot. He was a good man, my pop, but he was a bad cop. He was a good man, my pop, but he was a bad cop. Well, late one evening, I hear the cargo bay doorbell ring, and out of the back of a white stretch limousine steps this classy dame named Josephine. She says, I need a lime green El Camino, an indigo El Dorado, delivered to El Paso, Mexico, before 5 de mayo. Y para ti, $1,000,000 por cada uno, y una semana de bebidas gratis en la playa. I said $1,000,000 each and a week of free drinks on the beach. Sweet. Midnight, same night, I spied that Cadillac at the Starlight Motor Inn. Some quick work with my Slim Jim, and presto, instant adrenaline high. Meanwhile, across town, the Double Down Casino, my pa parks his squad car and hot wires the El Camino. We're professionals, don't you know? We don't waste any time on being slow. So, overnight the ladies look smick. Hydraulic lift kits and glow skulls for stick shifts. My pop says you look like dog shit, kid. Go clean up, I'll finish this. So I polish the chrome on my boot tips, shave my head, and see if my Stetson still fits. He was a good man, my pop, but he was a bad cop. He was a good man, my pop, but he was a bad cop. We broke town at dawn, pit stop at Honest Johnny's service station, where we buy petrol, alcohol, and phony license and registration. Then we race south on our vacation with everything in perfect order. We cross the border drunk with 2 stolen cars, a firearm, and a homegrown quarter. We get blammed as soon as we can, which in hindsight wasn't such a good plan. I mean, we were already half canned on a 66 of Silent Sam. Damn! Suddenly, on all sides were these banditos on motorbikes, waving knives and chains and pistoleros. It was insane. They were throwing huevos rancheros. My pop got yoked, and I could tell he was fucking choked, cause he pulled out his service revolver, his .38 snub-nosed problem solver, and he fired some lead above their heads as if to say, yo, back the fuck up or you're dead. But they were too hard-headed to get it, screaming high on a joyride. And although my pa was above the law, he'd always steered clear of homicide. So instead he starts swerve driving, knocking them off the road like pylons, and I slam on my brakes. The 2 chumps on my tail eat my license plate. Yeah, we get down and dirty, 2 against 30, demolition smash up dirty. El Paso, Alfonso's paint and body. 2 days after our little brush with the Mexican chapter of the KISS Army. Now Fonzo, he's kinda smarmy, but he's got the ultimate set of tools. And once again we get the ladies looking like a couple of sparkling jewels. And not a moment too soon, cause guess who shows up at noon? That's right, Josephine, the Spanish dream, followed by a couple of sharp-dressed Mexican dudes in black suits and dark shades, carrying Uzis and hand grenades. And I think, damn, this dame means business, and there's no way I'm getting laid. Muchas gracias, amigos, she says, as she throws us the dough she owes us, and then she shows us how well she